Wake the town and tell the people. Yard style family. Are you ready?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. It's a beautiful day today. Right now I'm heading out. We're gonna jump in the water. Our goal today is to find some lobster to do a lobster catch and cook. Alright guys, so right now we're ready. Can't wait to reach into the water, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so that's a huge southern stingray right there. It's moving away. Remember, we are hunting lobsters, and when hunting for lobsters you have to check underneath the rocks, and here I saw two lobsters. You may see the long spine hanging out from underneath the rock right there, but I didn't take any of these because they were small. Alright, I was diving with one of my friends and I saw this nice surgeon fish, and I decided on taking it, and I actually took this one and gave it to him because my main purpose out here today was to hunt some lobsters. Alright, so as you can see there, I almost missed him. I barely clipped him right there. This is a nice elkhorn coral right here, looking healthy. And as you can see, the water doesn't look that good. I decided on taking a dive here. I took the dive and I actually saw a lobster down there. I was glad to take this one. It was a nice size one. So normally when I catch a lobster, I break the long spines off, because that is what they use to defend themselves. So they can actually use that to slice you. Alright, so we always remove that. Now as you can see, the water, the visibility is not good, so I would just take random dives to check out some spots to see if I could find lobsters down there. Alright, so this is one of those dive. I didn't see anything. And this is another one of those dive, checking for lobsters. Yeah, peeps, see lobster them, yeah. So I'm gonna do a wicked cook up on them, yeah. Yeah. So like that. Alright now peeps, so today we're gonna do a cook up on the lobsters. But what I want to show you, I'm gonna show you how to butterfly a lobster tail, alright? I'm going to actually do some butterfly lobster tail in my next lobster video. So I'm going to show you how we butterfly the lobster in this video. So when we get to the next video, I already know how to do that, alright? So this is how we butterfly a lobster tail. Alright, now so for butterfly, we're going to take off the head and keep the tail. So when you take off the head, you get the knife between the head like that and you cut round and round. Underneath here, you can get underneath here a cut as well. Alright, so see we get it out now. Put that over there so that has some meat in it as well. No waste nothing. Alright, now so this is the lobster tail. Alright, so we are going to butterfly this now. So when you are butterfly, you are going to get a split from here up to this, up to the end, alright? So try and center your knife somewhere there, so get a board and just split the shell. Alright, split the shell like that. Alright, and then you open the shell, try to destroy it. Down here, so I want to open a little. Alright, there we go. Now the same breath you can just clean out the clean out that right there, so alright, back to the taking out the meat. Alright, so that's it. Fix back the shell. And that is how you butterfly a lobster. So you just wash off this now, you season up, and you put this on the grill or in the oven. You know, and then you can your garlic butter and thing and your mashed potato on the side. You can do surf and turf with steak and all of that, alright? So yeah man, that's a butterfly lobster tail right there. Alright, so we just go split them one here regular. Split them one regular and clean it up. This is what you want to get out of it. These are the intestine. So that is what you want to get out of it, alright? As well as this right here. Give it a rinse out. See the peeps. Yeah. So that's how we clean them up, peeps. And if you notice up to towards the head you have a little bit of meat as well. So this is another way of doing it. I'm on the pot now. I set them first so everything can roll. Alright, then I'm gonna put some water. Yeah, that's it. Alright now peeps, so the lobster them. I go on with them thing right now. You know, in the lobster pot I put some seasoning, pepper and salt. Alright, so and as I said before, make that stay on the fire for like 10 minutes or even less. Alright guys, so these are the ingredients I'm going to use to make the garlic butter. Normally some people use the pound butter and thing, but that butter they kind of too heavy. Meaning like all after you done make the butter and thing and you put it down, it sleep up pretty fast and thing. This one is much more smooth. The chiffon butter much more smooth. Margarine butter I should say. Make it much more smooth and nicer, you know. Yeah. So we're gonna cut up the garlic them and now, along with a small pepper. Can use piece of that as well, and some scallion and a sweet pepper, piece of sweet pepper. So yeah, that I go on in idea. Yeah. So we have put up some pepper in it right now as well. Make it a little bit spicy, you know. So see, you know, peeps. Pepper right there, so garlic, sweet pepper, and scallion. Alright, so all of that are going to go in the garlic butter for the lobsters. Alright, yeah, man. Guys, so these are ready. All we're going to do now is make the garlic butter for the lobster and thing. Put it on the plate. Make the we're going to crush the potato as well and make the mashed potato. And then we're going to put it on the plate and let you guys see what I go on. Alright? Yeah. Alright guys, so this is the pot for the garlic butter. I'll make the garlic butter right now. So when it dry out, we're going to add some butter to it. So the water still in the pot for dry out. We're going to add some butter to it right now, to the pot. Just a little bit first. Then we're going to add the ingredients then. Fire high. The butter get brown on the side there. Alright, so we're going to add the ingredients then now. So just going to scrape everything in there. Stir them up. Then we're going to add the rest of butter to it, alright? Alright guys, so melting the butter now. You can see the nice colors in the butter right here, the garlic butter, the sweet pepper, and the pepper, and the scallion. Nice green, the garlic in there as well. Yeah. If you want to get a lot more colors, you can actually use the red pepper, red sweet pepper, like with the scallion green already, or red hot pepper, whatever you want to do. But looking perfect. That's it right there, the garlic butter for the lobster. Alright. Yeah. Alright, now peeps, see the potato them, they're steaming right now, so we are going to add the butter and crush them, as you know. So yeah man, so that's how we go on, you know. Alright, see the butter in it there now. You get crushing. You see how the butter is smooth and nice. That will make the mashed potato nice and smooth, you know. Hey guys, so normally what me do, me use like a fork to crush it up first and then use a spoon in the last. You smooth it out, you know. Get a nice smooth look there. Yeah, use the spoon and press it so it rub in the butter in it, you know. Yeah. Yeah guys, so that's it, mashed potato. I will put that on the plate here now. You're gonna see what I go on, alright? Alright guys, so see the finished product here now. So they can see lobster right there with the garlic butter on it. Looking nice. Mashed potato over there. Ripe platen on the side. And you know we have a vegetable with tomato and with lettuce, alright? Yeah man, so it's looking good right now. Alright guys, so thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Remember to hit the thumbs up button. Remember to subscribe if you haven't subscribed as yet. We're getting there to 1K. Alright, so thank you all for your support. See you next time around.